Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2, Chapter 13. The Two Friends and the Bear. Learning objectives, understanding the meaning of true friends. तो हम क्या जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में कि हम मतलब जानेंगे सच्ची दोस्ती का. Never leave your true friend at the time of need. अपने दोस्त को जब उसे जरूरत हो तो उसे कभी भी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. Warm up. A picture of beautiful forest scenery is given. Pick the things you can find in this picture of the garden. So kids, here you can see the picture of a garden and some words are given here. You will tick those words which you can see in the picture. Mangoes. Can you see mangoes in the picture? Yes, you will put tick on it. Water body. Can you see the water body? Yes. The moon. Can you see the moon here? No? Then leave it. Animals. Can you see any animals here? No? Then leave it. Like this, you will complete this activity. Two friends, Varun and Kunal, were passing through a forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. Varun quickly climbed a tree and hid in its branches. तो दो दोस्त वरुण और कुणाल जो है एक बार एक जंगल से गुजर रहे थे और अचानक उन्होंने सामने से भालू आते हुए देखा जो उनकी तरफ बढ़ रहा था. तो उनमें से जो दोस्त वरुण था वो जल्दी से पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया और उसकी टहनियों में और पत्तों में छिप गया. Kunal lay flat on the ground. The bear came up and smelled Kunal laying on the ground. Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead. तो उसके बाद कुणाल ने क्या किया, वो वहीं ग्राउंड पे फ्लैट लेट गया और उसने अपनी सांस रोक ली. और जब बेर उसके पास आया और उसे स्मेल करने लग गया तो उसे कुछ भी पता नहीं चला. तो कुणाल ऐसा क्यों कर रहा था? कुणाल ऐसा इसलिए कर रहा था ताकि बेर को लगे कि वो एक डेड बॉडी है. Here you can see the picture of Kunal and bear smelling him and Varun is on the branch. The bear soon left, for it is believed that bears do not touch a dead body. When Varun made sure that bear has gone quite far, he came down with a broad smile. He asked his friend, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" So, जब वरुण ने देखा कि जो भालू है वो बहुत दूर जा चुका है तो वो क्या किया, पेड़ से नीचे उतर कर आया और एक बहुत बड़ी सी स्माइल की और उसने कुणाल से पूछा कि भालू ने तुम्हारे कान में क्या फुसफुसाया. कुणाल replied, "He gave me an advice. Never trust a friend who leaves you alone at the approach of danger." तो कुणाल ने रिप्लाई उसे किया कि उसने मुझे एडवाइस दी है, सलाह दी है कि कभी भी ऐसे दोस्त पे भरोसा मत करना जो तुम्हें जरूरत के समय पे अकेला छोड़ दे. Varun felt ashamed to hear this. He learnt a big lesson that we should help our friends in danger. तो ये सब सुन के वरुण को बहुत ही ज्यादा शर्म आई और उसने उस दिन एक लेसन सीखा कि उन्हें हमेशा जो है अपने दोस्तों की जरूरत में मदद करनी चाहिए, ना कि भाग जाना चाहिए. Find meaning. Throw, moving in one side and out of the other side of. Suddenly, quickly and unexpectedly. Climbed, to move up towards the top of something. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Who is your best friend? Why do you like him? Share your feelings and thoughts about him. Tell him why you have chosen him as your friend. Also ask him why he chose you. Write your answer in your notebook. So, kids, this is a kind of activity. You will ask your friend that why he chose you as a friend and also tell him that why you chosen him as a friend, and you will discuss and then write in your notebook. Cross curricular connect. Learning by doing. Work in Paris. Ask your partner these questions and write down the answer for each of the following. What do you do? Note, these words are made by adding ly to other words. Example, loud plus ly. Make up actions for each of them and act them out to your class. So kids, with these words, you will make some sentences which show some actions like 1. Loudly. I sing loudly. 2. Slowly. I walk on the road slowly. 3. Quickly. I do my homework quickly. 'So kids, like this you will make some sentences of given words. Critical thinking, let's play a game. Activities for different kinds of weather. What can you do with the type of weather shown? Check the pictures that show what you might do in that type of weather. Snowfall or winter. We can wear some warm clothes. Raining. We use umbrella. Strong winds. We relax on the beach. Logical decision making. Save the earth. So kids, here we can see some sentences are given. We will complete them. For example, we should not drop litter around. We should not pollute the air. We should save animals. We should not waste water. We should use solar energy. We should not use plastic bag. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. A. Whom did Varun and Kunal meet on their way? Varun and Kunal met a bear on their way. B. Why did Kunal lay flat on the ground? The Kunal lay flat on the ground because he saw a bear coming toward him. C. Why did the bear leave Kunal? Kunal pretended to be dead, so the bear left because bear do not touch or harm a dead body. B. Find their meanings. A. Broad, wide. B. Whisper, murmur. C. Ashamed, embarrassed. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. There were two friends, dash and dash, Varun and Kunal. B. Dash lay flat on the ground, Kunal. C. Dash climbed the tree, Varun. D. Take the right option. A. Varun was a true friend. False. B. The bear came and smelt Kunal. Right. True. C. We should not help our friends in danger. Wrong. False. Conceptual understanding. A. Number these sentences in the correct order. Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead. Varun learned a big lesson. Suddenly they saw a bear coming toward them. The bear soon left. First, second, third, and fourth. Communication, writing skills. Write a few sentences about your best friend. What makes him or her special? So this question you will do by yourself. You will write something about, few lines about your friend, that why do you like them. Reading skills. Read the riddle given below and answer it. Let's see how smart you are. So you will read this riddle and solve it. What is this type of animal? The Jungle Book had a bhalu. Smokey warns you about fires. There's also Winnie the Pooh. Listening and speaking. Work in groups of 4 or 5. Each child in the group will make a sentence about the given picture. Use the doing word is or are. Talk in the class. Who is your best friend and why do you think he is your best friend? So kids, here you can see a picture. So you will make a group of 4 or 5 kids and then you will make sentences after watching this picture with the use of is and are. For example, you can make a sentence, the boy is flying kite. There are 4 children. So like this, you will make some sentences. Let's learn spellings. Fill in the missing letters to get meaningful words. Take clues from pictures. A, tree. T, R, E, E. B, friends. F, R, I, E, N, D. C, bear. B, E, A, R. D, forest. F, O, R, E, S, T. Let's learn grammar. Write short form for the following. Example, do plus not, don't, does plus not, doesn't. Let's do it. A, did plus not, didn't. B, can plus not, can't. C, could plus not, couldn't. D, shall plus not, shalln't or shan't. E, would plus not, wouldn't. F, has plus not, hasn't. G, is plus not, isn't. H, are plus not, aren't. Vocabulary time. Fill in the blanks with the shorter form. A, I dash will not go to the party. Won't. B, she dash does not like ice cream. Doesn't. C, you dash have not done your work. Haven't. D, I dash do not make noise. Don't. E, Renu dash is not a bad girl. Isn't. F, Amit dash cannot ride a bicycle. Can't. So kids, here your chapter is finished. See you in next class.